Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back. Thank you for coming to my show today. You guys know I appreciate it. And today I have an episode that I want to make a little gift for my new boss. She's very high energy and super cool and I like her. And so I want to make her feel welcome. So I'm going to bling out a mirror for her and personalize it. So if you have somebody in your life that you are thinking about giving a gift to, this is pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty cute. So let's do it. Okay guys, we're gonna get started here. First off, I do want to apologize. I know I missed a week, I think, but it was Easter, so there's that. Also, another apology because my neighbor is currently listening to some pretty shitty music, and I really hope you guys can't hear it, because it sucks. But anyways, let's get going. Alright, so for this project, we have this little mirror, okay, and got this at the Dollar Tree, and then we're gonna take this bling wrap, and we're just gonna go along the edges of the mirror. So pretty simple. You just want to kind of take the bling wrap and hold it up there and see about how many rows you need. So this looks like 2, I'm gonna say. So then you're just gonna take your scissors and we're gonna start cutting rows of 2. Also, can you guys see my shirt? It says Shit Creek Survivor, and I got this from a friend. She made it for me, so thank you, Angie. I've always wanted a shirt or a hat that said this because I grew up in Shit Creek and I made it, and you can too. So maybe you want a shirt like this. You can probably go on Amazon. I think that's what she did. We could have like a little club, the SCS. Right, so that should be enough for now. So you're gonna take your mirror and you are going to place, we'll take the sticky off the back there, or not the sticky, but you know what I mean, the peel it so it is sticky. All right, but I don't want to take all of it off yet, okay? So just a little bit at a time for what I think I'm gonna need, okay? And now, ever so carefully, we will place it right where it belongs. Side note, that's a really good song by 9 Inch Nails, you should check it out. I believe that is off the With Teeth album. Maybe it's the Fragile, I don't remember. Okay, so you see how I have it right here, all right? But I have a little bit left right here, right? So what are we gonna do? Cut it, cut that bitch. Oh, it is being a bitch too. Okay, so there you go. Now, I took the rest of the peel off, and I'm gonna do this one right about there. And I don't know if you can see or not, but I kind of feel with my fingers to make sure that it is lining up the way it should, you know, so there's no weird overhang. and then cut. Okay. Now, all right. Now you have two going, right? But if you look, see how it's not like at the angle, you know? So we're gonna take one of these little X-Acto knives. I have the other one. I have this one that's on the pokey, but I prefer to do it like this. I don't know why. That's how I rule. Okay, so it's probably right about there. And then you just kind of press down because, you know, those little sparkles, you gotta cut through those. And then you should just be able to peel. There we go, see? Isn't that nice? I'll show you when I get this other side done. Okay, you see what I mean? How it's like at an angle now? That's what you want. So now we can take our next row and go again on the other ones that still need taken care of. Now you can overlap a little bit if you need to. That's okay, because you can just cut the part that you don't want. Actually, that's not too bad. I'm gonna leave it, but this one needs to go. Okay, last row. Okay, woo, beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. All right. Anyways, the next thing, sorry, I think I just burped. I probably did. My apologies if you heard that. Anyways, so then I have these little letters that I made with resin. Now you can get these anywhere. I'm pretty sure they make these in magnets. You can just take the magnet off, or probably just go in like a kid's section, you know? I don't know. I don't have kids. But anyways, just two solid letters, because like I said, this is for my boss, and those are her letters. So we are going to just super glue those. Or not super glue, we're gonna hot glue them down right here. So I gotta plug this thing in and I'll be right back. Karma, 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 chameleon. You know that song? I know you do. Ooh. Yeah, so we're gonna talk about chameleons today for your animal fact. So check this out. Okay, you know how a lot of people maybe think that they change colors as a survival instinct? Not necessarily. Turns out they're like a mood ring. They change with their mood. Also, if they are too hot, maybe they change to blue to cool down. If they're too cold, maybe they turn to red to get warm. How about that? Okay, so also their eyes, we know that they're weird as shit. I don't know why God did that, but that's his thing. Kind of cool. So each eye can turn 180 degrees. That way they have 360 degrees all the way around, so they can be aware of their surroundings. That's pretty cool. All right. What about their tails? They don't grow back. That's not them. That's lizards, not these dudes. Okay. What else? I'll tell you this. Their tongue is super freaking fast. You want to know how fast? You do? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. 41 freaking G's. G's, dude. I don't even know what G's are, but I think that's what happens when you're in a really fast jet, maybe? Like those fighter jets? Stealth. I bet those go fast as fuck. Okay. So the other thing is that their spit is super, super sticky. How sticky? I'm gonna tell you. 400 times stickier than human spit. I didn't think our spit was that sticky, but 400 times stickier? That's probably pretty freaking nasty. So they do that so that when their super fast tongue reaches out and gets them, it sticks to their tongue and then they can eat it. You know what I mean? Okay. So that's what I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun out there. Thank you. All right, so the glue gun is ready, and I think we're going to just put this, we're gonna go right here, you know? So I just wanna take a little dot of glue, maybe a little bit more than a dot, and I'm gonna go right here on the bottom. Okay. And then we'll do the same thing with this one, just a little bit on the bottom. And that's it. I don't want to blind you guys, but you know, I think that looks pretty good, right? So yeah, now I'm just gonna take a cloth and clean the mirror, and I think that's it. I don't want to do too much because I don't really know what her style is. You know, I mean, I know she likes bling, but I don't want to, you know, get obnoxious with it because I'm giving this to her at work so that she can use it in her office because there's, you know, nothing back there. But anyways, yeah, I think this would make a nice gift for somebody, or you could even do it for yourself. It'd be great for a kid's room, you know, whatever. I hope you guys had fun with this. I know I did. Pretty simple, but I think it turned out super cute. So I just want to say thank you for coming to the show, and I hope you guys have a kick-ass freaking day.